What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about two prominent names when it comes to Amazon selling tools, Jungle Scout and Helium 10. These platforms offer a range of features designed to assist sellers in optimizing their Amazon businesses. Let's dive into a comparison of Jungle Scout and Helium 10 to help you determine which tool aligns best with your needs and goals. Let's start with Jungle Scout. Jungle Scout is an Amazon seller software and product research tool used by over 1 million sellers, retailers, and global brands to help them succeed on Amazon. The Jungle Scout Chrome extension allows users to easily research product opportunities, analyze sales data, and track product performance directly on Amazon's website. Jungle Scout is recognized as having the most accurate sales estimates in the industry, allowing sellers to assess product demand, profitability, market trends, and competitor insights with confidence. Many entrepreneurs and global brands rely on Jungle Scout's data and tools to make informed business decisions when selling on Amazon. Now, let's take a look at some of its key benefits. AI Assist from Jungle Scout offers cutting-edge artificial intelligence capabilities tailored for e-commerce businesses. This feature streamlines operations by automating essential tasks and delivers invaluable insights and recommendations to Amazon sellers. By leveraging AI technology, users can save time through task automation, receive in-depth insights for strategic decision-making, and access expert guidance through the AI Assist chat. Key functionalities include review analysis for customer sentiment insights, AI-generated listings for optimized content creation, profit overview for financial analysis, and real-time support through the AI Assist chat. Keyword Scout is a powerful tool within Jungle Scout designed to enhance Amazon sellers' keywords research strategies. By providing valuable competitor insights, this feature enables users to identify high-performing keywords driving traffic and sales for competitors. With access to comprehensive keyword data, including ad tracking, search volume trends, and PPC costs, sellers can optimize their listings and advertising campaigns to boost visibility and revenue on the Amazon platform. The Jungle Scout extension is a versatile browser tool compatible with Chrome and Firefox browsers, offering instant access to crucial product metrics on Amazon. This feature empowers sellers with real-time sales data, revenue insights, historical performance graphs, advanced filtering options, and an opportunity score to evaluate product potential quickly. By integrating seamlessly with the browser, the extension provides a comprehensive overview of product listings, aiding sellers in making informed decisions and identifying profitable opportunities efficiently. Jungle Scout's product tracker feature allows users to monitor and track the performance of specific product listings over time. By adding products directly to the tracker, sellers can analyze trends, monitor changes in sales metrics, and gain valuable insights into product performance. This tool enables sellers to make data-driven decisions, optimize product strategies, and stay informed about market dynamics to maximize their success on the Amazon platform. Advertising Analytics by Jungle Scout equips Amazon sellers with the tools to analyze and optimize their advertising campaigns effectively. This feature provides valuable insights into ad performance, search volume trends, and PPC costs, enabling sellers to refine their advertising strategies for improved ROI and increased visibility on the Amazon marketplace. By leveraging advertising analytics, sellers can make informed decisions, track campaign effectiveness, and enhance their overall advertising performance to drive sales and maximize profitability. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. While Jungle Scout's AI Assist and Chrome extension offer powerful insights and automation, there is a risk of over-reliance on these tools. Sellers may become dependent on the technology for decision-making, potentially overlooking critical market nuances or strategic opportunities that require human judgment and creativity. Jungle Scout's advanced features such as AI Assist may come with additional subscription costs beyond the basic plans. This could be a drawback for sellers operating on a tight budget or those who may not fully utilize the advanced functionalities to justify the extra expense. Despite Jungle Scout's reputation for accurate sales estimates and competitor insights, there is always a margin for error in data collection and analysis. Users need to be cautious in interpreting the data provided by Jungle Scout tools, as inaccurate or misinterpretation could lead to flawed business decisions or missed opportunities. Now, let's talk about Helium 10. Helium 10 is an all-in-one software suite that offers a wide range of tools to help Amazon and Walmart sellers optimize their businesses. From product research and keyword targeting to listing optimization and PPC campaign management, Helium 10 provides data-driven insights to assist sellers in making informed decisions and streamlining their operations. Now, let's take a look at its benefits. Helium 10's Insight Dashboard is a centralized hub that provides a bird's-eye view of key data and metrics for Amazon sellers, helping them save time and make informed business decisions. This feature allows users to organize product data by parent or child ASIN groupings and customize the dashboard with personalized widgets. Additionally, it leverages the integration of the Helium 10 Chrome extension to optimize workflows and provide access to personalized insights and recommendations to drive tangible business results. The dashboard also automates tasks and stays updated on market developments, enabling sellers to react quickly to changes. Helium 10's product research tool are designed to help sellers avoid saturated markets, gauge consumer demand, and rise above the competition. The Black Box tool identifies high-demand, low-competition products across Amazon categories, while Trendster analyzes product seasonality and trends to identify the optimal time to sell. X-Ray provides real-time data on product sales, revenue, and competition, giving sellers a comprehensive view of the market. Furthermore, the Helium 10 Chrome extension enhances product research capabilities with features like Search Expander, Demand Analyzer, and Supplier Finder, making it easier for sellers to find profitable products. Helium 10's listing optimization tools are designed to help sellers create high-performing Amazon listings that attract and convert customers. Frankenstein analyzes keywords used by consumers to find similar products and generate coherent, optimized listings. Scribbles provides fresh, relevant keywords to keep listings up to date and improve search rankings. The Listing Analyzer evaluates the quality and optimization of product listings compared to competitors, giving sellers a competitive edge. By using these tools, sellers can ensure their listings are optimized for maximum visibility and conversions. Helium 10's analytic tools provide in-depth insights into sales, profits, and business performance. The Profits tool tracks expense, calculates profit margins, and identifies underperforming products, helping sellers make data-driven decisions. The Trends tool analyzes revenue trends and historical data to support informed business decisions. The Keyword Tracker monitors keyword performance and helps achieve top-ranking positions. These analytic tools give sellers a clear understanding of their business performance and help them identify areas for improvement. Helium 10 offers a range of free tools to help sellers get started and optimize their businesses. The Keyword Wizard conducts keyword research and provides search volume data, helping sellers find profitable keywords. The ASIN Grabber extracts ASIN in bulk for competitors' analysis, while the Refund Genie identifies and automates Amazon refund claims. The Coupon Code Generator creates unique coupon codes for promotions and discounts. These free tools provide a taste of Helium 10's comprehensive suite of tools and help sellers streamline their operations. Now, let's talk about some of its potential drawbacks. Helium 10 offers various pricing plans ranging from $29 to $279 per month, which may be a significant investment for some smaller or new sellers. The higher tier plans with more advanced features could be cost prohibitive for some businesses. With over 30 tools and comprehensive suite of features, Helium 10 may have a steeper learning curve for some users, especially those new to e-commerce or Amazon reselling. Adapting to the platform and fully leveraging all its capabilities could require time and effort. Helium 10 relies on various data sources such as Amazon sales data and market trends to provide insights and recommendations. While the platform claims high accuracy, there is still a potential risk of inaccuracies or discrepancies in the underlying data, which could impact the reliability of the platform's analysis and recommendations. In conclusion, both Jungle Scout and Helium 10 are powerful tools that can significantly enhance your Amazon selling experience. Jungle Scout's high accuracy and user satisfaction may appeal to those seeking a reliable and user-friendly platform, while Helium 10's extensive feature set caters to sellers who require a more comprehensive suite of tools. Ultimately, the choice between these two platforms will depend on your specific needs, budget, and personal preferences. Carefully evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of each tool to determine which one will best support the growth and success of your Amazon business. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the